Welcome to RsN Hospitality, where we explore the fascinating world of food and beverage outlets. Today, we'll take you on a journey to understand the different types of establishments that make up this vibrant industry. So, sit back and enjoy. Welcome back to RsN Hospitality. We're thrilled to have you join us today. I'm Alex, your guide for today's journey. We're going to explore the fascinating world of food and beverage outlets, from cozy cafes to bustling markets. Whether you're a student looking to study in a quiet corner, a job seeker aiming to network, or simply a food enthusiast, understanding these outlets can give you a competitive edge. So, let's dive in and discover what makes each of these places unique and special. First, let's talk about bistros. These charming establishments are a staple in many cities around the world. These are small, casual restaurants known for their cozy, rustic charm. The ambiance is often warm and inviting, perfect for a casual meal. They offer simple, hearty dishes like stews, which are often made with fresh local ingredients, salads and sandwiches, all prepared with a touch of gourmet flair, often paired with a selection of wines. The wine list is usually carefully curated to complement the menu. The service is informal, making it a great place for a relaxed dining experience. Whether you're dining alone or with friends, bistros offer a welcoming atmosphere. Next, we have brasseries. Originating from France, brasseries are lively and relaxed, serving meals throughout the day. You'll find traditional French dishes like steak frites and coq au vin. The atmosphere is bustling, with professional yet relaxed service. Coffee shops are informal and comfortable spaces perfect for socializing. They offer a variety of beverages, pastries, and light snacks. The service is quick and efficient, ideal for both quick stops and leisurely visits. Specialty restaurants focus on specific cuisines, like Italian, Chinese, or Indian. They provide an authentic dining experience with themed decor and a curated menu. Service can range from casual to formal, depending on the restaurant's style. Fine dining restaurants offer an upscale experience with gourmet dishes, exceptional service, and elegant ambiance. These establishments are perfect for special occasions and provide a memorable dining experience. Fast food restaurants are designed for quick and convenient dining. They are a staple in modern society, providing a fast solution for those on the go. They serve inexpensive meals, like burgers and fries, which are popular for their taste and affordability. These meals are often prepared in a matter of minutes, with a focus on speed and efficiency. The drive-through service adds another layer of convenience, allowing customers to get their meals without even leaving their cars. The ambiance is simple and functional, designed to accommodate a high turnover of customers. The seating is often basic but comfortable, encouraging quick dining. Barbecue restaurants specialize in grilled or smoked meats, offering a unique flavor that is hard to replicate. These establishments often pride themselves on their secret recipes and cooking techniques, offering a casual and often rustic dining environment. The service is informal, creating a relaxed atmosphere where customers can enjoy their meals at a leisurely pace. Focusing on family-style dining and hearty meals, barbecue restaurants are perfect for gatherings and celebrations. The portions are generous, making it ideal for sharing. Understanding these different types of food and beverage outlets can help you find the right fit for your career in the hospitality industry. Whether you prefer the fast-paced environment of a fast food restaurant or the laid-back vibe of a barbecue joint. Thanks for watching RsN Hospitality. We hope you found this overview helpful and informative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights and tips. See you next time. Stay tuned for more exciting content.